Good morning everyone. Exercise 3A, question number 2. Add the following. Page number 71. First I explain part D, E, F. Okay? Part D, E, F. First I solve it. Remaining part A, B, C. It's your home task. Solve it at home. Okay? D1 1 1 3 2 1 base 5 plus is not given and is given in your book. Okay, but both are correct. It's up to you. Use plus sign or and. 2 2 4 0 bracket close base 5. Okay, just check your question. 11321 base 5 2240 base 5. Add them. Question number D. 1 1 3 2 1. In base 5 system we use 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, not 5. After add or subtract we get 5 or greater than 5, so we convert into base 5 system. Clear? Now your question is add. If we have after add we get 0 1 2 3 4, so we as it is copy down. If we have greater than 5, so we convert into base 5 system. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 2 plus 4, simple addition, 6. Clear? In simple addition, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay, now 6 convert into base 5 system. Base 5 is given, so we convert into base 5 system. 5 ones are 5, 1 is left. It means in base 5 system 6 is equal to 11. 1 carry. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6. Clear? 3 plus 1 4, 5 6. 6 equal to 11. Again 11. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. 4 less than 5, so as it is copy down. Now over here we have only 1 as it is copy down. Okay, 1 4 1 1 1 triple 1. Base 5 would be the answer of after add. Next part, E1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 base 2. Clear? 1 double 0 double 1 0 1 0 plus 1 0 1 0. Okay, 1 0 1 0 triple 1 1 1 1. Okay, check your question one more time. 1 0 1 0 triple 1. Okay, 0 1 0 double 1 double 0 1. Now we add them. 0 plus 1 or 1 plus 0, 1. In base 2 system, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1. Correct? Now 2 times 1. In base 2 system, already I explained 2 times 1 is equal to 10. Now we solve it in rough column. 1 plus 1, 2 times 1. First we simple add. 2 times 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Simple addition. Simple add 2. This 2 convert into base 2 system. 2 ones are 2, 0 is left. It means 2 times 1 in base 2 system, 10. 0, 1 carry. Again 2 times 1 equal to 10, 0, 1 carry. Again 2 times 1 is equal to 10, 0, 1 carry. 2 times 1 equal to 10. Okay. Base 2. Base is given, so we put base 2 system. In base 2 system, in the question also we have only 0 and 1. Not 2, not greater than 2. Like 3, 4, 5. Okay. In the question, this question is base 2 system. So in this question we use only 2 digits 0 and 1 in the answer also. Same method we apply in base 5 system. Just check the question of base 5 system. In the question we use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Not 5, not greater than 5. Okay. We use just 5 digits 0 till 4. Even after add or subtract we get the answer. That figure or number again we get less than 5, not 5 or greater than 5. After add or subtract, if we get 5 or greater than 5, so we convert into base 5 system. Part F, 1746 base 8 and 55614 base 8. Okay. Add the following in base 8 system. In base 8 system we use 0 till 7. Okay. Not 8 or not greater than 8 digit. So now we plus it. 1 7 4 6 4 1 6 5 5. Okay. 1746 41655. Okay, in base 8 system 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Okay, in normal addition 6 plus 4 10. 10 is greater than 8, so we convert into base 8 system. 6 4 10. 10 convert into base 5 system. 8 ones are 8, 2 is left. It means in base 8 system 10 equal to 12. Clear? So we write over here 2, 1 carry. 4 5 6. After add we get answer 6. 6 is less than 8. So as it is, copy down 6. 7 plus 6 13. 13 greater than 8. So we convert into base 8 system. 8 ones are 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5 is left. it means in base 8 system 13 equal to 15. 5, 1 carry, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7. 7 less than 8 as it is copy down. 5 as it is copy down. Okay, put base 8. Now first value it's smaller than second value. Second value is bigger than first value. Okay, add them. Now just for verify it, first we write bigger value 5, 5, 6, 1, 4, base 8, then 6, 4, 7, 1. Add them. Apply same method. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 equal to 12. 2, 1 carry. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 less than 8 as it is copy. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 equal to 15. 5, 1 carry. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 7 less than 8 as it is copy. 5 as it is copy, it's less than 8. Now it's base 8 system. That's why we put base 8. Clear? It's up to you. First write down first value or second one. Okay, the first value is smaller than second one. Second one is bigger value. So but check the both answer, both are same. So it's done. Part F, third part. Okay, done part D, E, F. Remaining first three part A, B, C. Solve at home. Then question number 2, exercise 3A. Thank you.